welcome all of you to this video. In this video again I am going to discuss some one of the very important question of circle. I just start from some points that is very important for this question. Very first, centroid. As you know that the meeting point of all medians of a triangle. As you observe in figure, ABC is a triangle, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AD. So here AD is a median, V is a median, and CF is a median, and they meet at Z. Here Z is the centroid. Again, we know that AD by AZ equals to 1 by 2. By adding both sides, finally observe here AD by AZ equals to 3 by 2. That is AZ equals to 2 by 3 AD. This is very important property of median. Again, another very important term here, circumcenter. The center of circle is called circumcenter. As you observe in figure, a triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle, and the perpendicular bisector of all the sides of triangle ABC, that is AD, VE, and CF. Their meeting point O is the center, and here OA, OB, and OC are the radius. O is the center, so O is the centroid. Here I am going to discuss a very important problem. I will just start with the problem. Your question: in an equilateral triangle, so that centroid and circumcenter coincide. Coincide means both are the same point, they cover each other. I just start from figure. As you observe in figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle, and AB, VE, and CF are medians. Meeting point is Z. Here we have to prove that Z is also circumcenter of it. That is, here our main motto is that we have to prove that AZ equals to VZ equals to CG. Solution: triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle AD, VE, CF are medians. Z is the centroid meeting point of all the three medians. Now, now in triangle BCF, BCE, in triangle VCF, VCF, CB, VCF, and triangle CBE. As we observe here, BC is the common in both the triangles. BC equals to BC, common. Again, in triangle BC, BCF, angle B, and in triangle CBE, angle C, angle B equals to angle C equals to 60 degree, angles of equilateral triangle. Again, VF, VF equals to CE, CE, because VF equals to half AB and CE equals to half AC. And we know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so AB equals to AC. Therefore, triangle VCF contains triangle CVE. Why using congruence rule? SAS. Why using rule? SAS. Therefore, what we get here from CPCT? We can write here CF equals to VE. Therefore, CF equals to VE, equation first. Similarly, we take different triangles and we can write VE, VE, we take triangle VE, that is triangle ABE, and another triangle ABD. Similarly, VE equals to AD. First and second, similarly, we can write here from equation 1 and 2, we get AD equals to VE equals to CF. Again, multiply this term by 3 by 2. Y 2 by 3, AD 2 by 3, VE 2 by 3, CF, and what we get here? 2 by 3 AD, 2 by 3 AD, that is AG, 2 by 3 VE, that is VG, and 2 by 3 CF, that is CG. Therefore, AG equals to VG equals to CG. These all are equals. These are radius of the circle. These are radius of the circle. So, circle ZR is the circumcircle and Z is also circumcenter. Z is also circumcenter. Thus we get the result. First we take Z as centroid and finally we prove that Z is also circumcenter. So Z, that is circumcenter and centroid, coincide each other. Thank you, that's all.